How does free association make mind maps better? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads leading everywhere. Now, picture a map that shows all these roads connecting different places. That's what mind mapping does for your ideas. But what makes it even more powerful is something called free association. Think of free association as giving your mind permission to wander without rules. Instead of sticking to a strict plan, you let your thoughts jump from one idea to another naturally. This helps you see connections you might not notice if you tried to organize everything in a straight line. When you're studying or taking notes, this method sparks creativity and makes your mind more flexible. For example, if you're learning about history, you might start with a big idea like the Renaissance. Then, your mind might jump to art, science, famous people, or inventions from that time. These jumps happen because you're not forcing your thoughts to follow a set order. Instead, your brain makes links on its own. This process helps you remember things better because the ideas are connected in a way that feels natural. Visual elements like colors, pictures, or keywords in your mind map also make it easier to recall information later. When you use free association, your mind creates a web of ideas that are more engaging and easier to review. It's especially useful for brainstorming because it helps you come up with lots of ideas quickly. When you're taking notes, it allows you to capture thoughts as they come, without worrying about fitting everything into a perfect structure. This makes your notes more organized and easier to understand when you review them. For planning projects, free association helps break down complex tasks into smaller parts, making it easier to see how everything fits together. Overall, free association makes mind maps more flexible, creative, and memorable. It turns a simple diagram into a lively tool that boosts your ability to think, remember, and organize effectively. So, next time you're studying or trying to organize your ideas, let your mind wander freely and watch your mind map come alive.